Keep your car's interior spotless with the best fabric cleaner for cars. HypeTech Picks reviews top products that remove stubborn stains and odors, ensuring your seats and carpets stay fresh, clean, and well-maintained every time. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Tonneau Car Fabric Cleaner. The Tonneau Car Fabric Cleaner is a versatile solution designed to safely and effectively clean both hard and soft tops, making it a perfect choice for car enthusiasts who want to maintain a pristine interior and exterior look. This cleaner works exceptionally well on a variety of surfaces, including tonneau covers, fabric and vinyl convertible tops, and car bras, giving it a distinct advantage over single surface cleaners. Its formulation ensures that cleaning is not only effective, but also residue-free, so there's no need to worry about streaks or leftover grime that could compromise your car's appearance. The product comes in a convenient 16 fluid ounce liquid form, which is easy to apply and store. And the single count package is perfect for individual users or as a supplemental cleaner for larger car care kits. With its gentle yet effective formula, the Tonneau Car Fabric Cleaner lifts dirt, dust, and minor stains while brightening surfaces, restoring them to near new condition. Its ease of use is one of its strongest points. Simply spray, wipe, and rinse as needed, without the need for complicated tools or additional chemicals. Because it is manufactured by 303 Products, a trusted name in car care, users can rely on consistent performance and quality. Additionally, the product's non-toxic nature makes it safe for both pets and humans, which is ideal for families who spend a lot of time in their vehicles. This cleaner is particularly suitable for vehicle owners who value maintenance and aesthetics, providing an efficient way to preserve the life and look of their car's fabric and vinyl components. Number 2. HAUSHOF Car Fabric Cleaner. The HAUSHOF Car Fabric Cleaner is a powerful cordless upholstery and carpet cleaning solution that brings professional-grade performance to home and car cleaning. Equipped with a 12 kPa suction system, it effortlessly removes tough dirt, pet stains, and residual odors from carpets, stairs, car interiors, and other hard-to-reach spaces. The product includes a main water suction device with a brush for deep cleaning, and an extra gap brush to tackle narrow or intricate areas, ensuring a comprehensive clean. Its brushless motor operates quietly at less than 75 dB, making it suitable for households with children or pets, while maintaining high efficiency. Unlike traditional corded cleaners, this portable model offers cordless convenience with a rechargeable battery that allows for 25 to 30 minutes of continuous cleaning, giving users the freedom to move around without restrictions. The cleaner's lightweight design, weighing only 7.7 pounds, ensures easy portability, and the ergonomic handle provides comfort during extended cleaning sessions. The dual water tank system separates clean and dirty water, with a 51-ounce clean water tank and a 27-ounce sewage tank, making it simple to refill, empty, and maintain hygienic conditions. The recommended cleaning solution ratio of 1:33 enhances its effectiveness, while infusing a pleasant fresh scent during the process. HAUSHOF's design emphasizes efficiency, practicality, and user comfort, making it ideal for homeowners, car enthusiasts, or pet owners who need a reliable cleaner for multiple surfaces. Its ability to clean without harsh chemicals ensures safety for fabrics, surfaces, and occupants.
Number 3. Adams Polish Car Fabric Cleaner. The Adams Polish Car Fabric Cleaner stands out as one of the most effective carpet and upholstery cleaners available on the market, designed to break down dirt and stains at the source. With its powerful formula, it tackles even the most stubborn grime, making it a top choice for car owners who want to maintain a spotless interior without resorting to harsh chemicals. The product is suitable for multiple interior surfaces, including car seats, headliners, and carpets, making it a versatile choice for comprehensive interior care. Backed by a 110% satisfaction guarantee and proudly made in the USA, Adams Polish emphasizes quality and customer satisfaction, assuring users that the product delivers on its promises. Its cleaning formula effectively lifts and removes stubborn stains, dirt, and grime while maintaining the integrity of fabric surfaces. Regular use can prevent long-term damage, restore the fabric's appearance, and extend the lifespan of car interiors. Its lightweight, easy-to-handle design ensures quick and efficient cleaning sessions, whether for daily maintenance or periodic deep cleans. Overall, Adams Polish Car Fabric Cleaner provides a safe, highly effective, and easy-to-use solution for car owners looking to preserve the beauty and cleanliness of their vehicle's interior. Its strong performance, safety features, and user-friendly design make it a reliable and worthwhile investment for anyone seeking professional quality results at home. Number 4. Adams Suede Car Fabric Cleaner. The Adams Suede Car Fabric Cleaner is a specialized kit designed for delicate fabrics like suede, alcantara, microsuede, and faux suede, offering complete cleaning and protection. Unlike traditional cleaners, this kit combines a gentle micellar cleaning formula with premium tools including microfiber towels and cockpit brushes to lift dirt, oils, and stains without damaging delicate fibers. The gentle yet effective cleaning technology ensures residue-free results while maintaining the softness and texture of delicate fabrics, a critical feature for luxury or high-end vehicle interiors. Users appreciate the careful attention to detail, from the safe bicellar cleaning formula to the inclusion of specialized brushes and towels, which make cleaning more precise and streak-free. The kit is ideal for anyone who values long-term care and preservation of their car's delicate interior, providing both cleaning and protection in one package. The combination of efficiency, gentleness, and versatility ensures that even the most challenging stains are lifted without compromising fabric integrity.
Number 5. The Foandbevi Car Fabric Cleaner. The Foandbevi Car Fabric Cleaner brings innovative steam cleaning technology to car interiors, offering chemical-free cleaning for carpets, upholstery, and other surfaces. Its detachable design allows it to function both as a handheld steam cleaner for immediate stain removal and as a longer-reach steamer for remote cleaning, providing ultimate flexibility. The separate water tank ensures freedom to refill at any time without waiting, making a wide range of included accessories makes it easy to tackle different types of stains and surfaces, from car carpets to household furniture. Its compact, portable design ensures easy handling and convenient storage, ideal for both home and automotive use. Users benefit from a combination of speed, safety, and effectiveness with professional quality results at home. Keeping your car interior fresh and spotless has never been easier. From specialized suede cleaning to powerful cordless and steam options, these best fabric cleaners for cars offer solutions for every need. Whether tackling tough stains or routine maintenance, each product ensures safe, effective, and convenient cleaning. Choose the one that fits your lifestyle and enjoy a pristine, well-maintained vehicle.